Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change username on chase.com. First of all, open chase.com application. Tap on the more icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. At second, you'll be able to find the option for profile. Tap on it. Now you can see the profile informations over here. At fourth, you can see the option for username. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to change the username. You can enter your new username over here. Keep in mind, you'll only be able to change the username once every 90 days. So simply enter the new username over here. Tap on the option continue that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you can see over here the username will be changed. So that is how you change username on chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel.